Zhuzhou Lifa Cemented Carbide Industrial Company Limited. We have the CNC machines to produce all kinds of aluminum insert. With the special chip breakers, large rake angle and clearance angle make the cutting edge sharper, ensuring easier cutting while remaining effective chip breaking. Polishing treatment on surface. Reduce the friction resistance and stick free. Make the chip removal fluently and improve the surface quality and tool life. G-class tolerance of insert. Higher repeated position accuracy. It can effectively avoid the vibration during the machining process. Welcome to inquiry and order from us.